Jackson, President and CEO of the Briscoe Western Art Museum. We are thrilled and we can't wait to see you this fall when we open our new Four Pillars Gallery. So come on in, take a sneak peek. What you see here is going to be the Four Pillars Gallery. At the Briscoe, we define the four pillars of the American West: wildlife and the land that we live on, native peoples of the Americas, Tejanos, vaqueros, and Spanish heritage, and finally but not least, ranching and cowboy culture across the American frontier. We're so excited. What you see here is the construction site. But just wait, come back this fall and you'll see something completely different. Can't wait to see you at the Briscoe.